Ever pondered why some advertising campaigns hit the bullseye while others miss the mark? It often boils down to targeting the right audience. But how does one ensure that their message reaches the right people? This is where advanced targeting strategies come into play. Picture this. A company, let's call it Fresh Threads, specializes in trendy, eco-friendly clothing. They've built a solid customer base who love their products for their style and sustainability. But Fresh Threads wants to expand their reach and tap into a new market segment, fitness enthusiasts who value sustainable fashion. Using basic demographic targeting, Fresh Threads could reach a wider audience. But to pinpoint fitness enthusiasts who are also interested in sustainable fashion, they need something more sophisticated. Enter advanced targeting strategies. Consider in-market audiences. These are potential customers who are actively researching, comparing, and considering buying a product or service. By leveraging in-market audiences, Fresh Threads can identify people who are in the market for fitness attire. But Fresh Threads doesn't stop there. To narrow down their target market further, they use affinity audiences. Affinity audiences are groups of people with a long-term interest in a particular area. In this case, Fresh Threads targets people who have a sustained interest in sustainable fashion. Finally, to ensure their advertising campaign is as effective as possible, Fresh Threads employs custom intent audiences. This strategy allows them to target individuals based on their recent search history. So if someone has been Googling sustainable workout gear, they're likely to see an ad from Fresh Threads. And the result? A highly successful campaign. Fresh Threads sees a significant increase in sales, particularly from customers who fit their new target market. Fitness enthusiasts who value sustainable fashion. Let's move on to another case study. Imagine a tech company, we'll call them Innovate Tech, that's launching a new smartphone. They want to target early tech adopters, people who are always on the lookout for the latest devices. Using advanced targeting strategies, Innovate Tech is able to pinpoint these early adopters. They use in-market audiences to identify individuals currently in the market for a new phone. Then, they use affinity audiences to find people with a long-term interest in technology. Finally, with custom intent audiences, they target individuals who have been searching for the latest smartphones. The outcome? A successful product launch with a significant increase in sales from their target market, early tech adopters. To wrap it up, advanced targeting strategies like in-market audiences, affinity audiences, and custom intent audiences offer advertisers the ability to reach highly relevant viewers. These strategies allow for precise targeting, ensuring that your advertising message reaches the right people at the right time. In the ever-evolving world of advertising, staying ahead of the curve means utilizing these advanced targeting strategies to their fullest potential. They offer a powerful way to connect with your desired audience, driving engagement and ultimately sales.